Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can create an issue type, a new issue type, custom one in Jira. So what you want to do is when you're in Jira, you just want to click on whatever channel you got, right? Whatever project you got, then just click here on project settings, and right here you just want to click on issue types and actions, edit issue types. Then you will be like in these weird issues, and you want to click on issue type schemes, and then you just want to add an issue type scheme, and here you just want to add a name, description, and then you can like default add new issue type, name, editing, description, yes. You can edit like editing or like yes, and type standard or subtask issue type. Again, you can choose that and add, and then you can like simple put it on available issue types, and this is how you can simply do it. So this is how you can create an issue types in Jira. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.